What's up, everybody? I guess I have a total of 15 subscribers now. It's pretty crazy to me. I don't know why. Been a couple months. This car has turned into storage. I got everything swapped over. It does run. I will start up in just a moment, but as you can see, the intake manifold is off at the moment. I have a slight coolant leak. I think it's just one of my crack pipes. It's not necessarily a crack pipe, it looks like it. Going into the heater core, and I'll just fix up those hoses and we'll be good to go. Having some weird electrical issues for whatever reason. Whenever I would go to try the my blinkers or my heater, like the dial for the heater, and then also my brake lights and the windshield wipers, they would not work, which is really weird. Last time I had an issue was like when I had the iX, when I just got the iX, and I actually changed the fuse box, and that fixed the problem last time, and I'm really hoping that's not going to be what fixes the problem this time, because it's probably just corrosion on contacts and stuff like that. And I've checked the ground, the G200, which is the ground that's underneath the steering column, and then I've checked the ground that's underneath the rear back seat, which I believe is G300 or something like that. And then I like contacts onto the battery. It's a brand new battery. Kind of anything and everything. I try to go over it, and I'm still kind of at a loss right now. So if anybody's had similar issues where randomly after a car's been sitting for a long time, weird electrical things go wrong. But the weird part is, intermittently, I got the blower motor to work, so I don't really know what's going on with that. Fuses are good. I've even like lifted up the fuse box to see if there's like any major corrosion or anything underneath there. The PCB looks good. I'm just kind of at a loss at the moment. It looks like there's a little corrosion, but nothing that I'm really concerned about with that. Yeah, so ITBs, love them. There's I even switched the blower motor to try to see if it would remedy the situation, but it did not. What else was I gonna say in this video? Oh yeah, I got everything swapped over. The suspension, the exhaust, the rear subframes, like the wheels, the brakes, anything and everything. If you want to know what the wheels are, they really are just knockoffs. They're 16x8 ET0 rotogrids. Had them for about 10 years or so, and I run Yokohama S drives on there for now. So honestly I picked the Yokohamas just because they had good ratings, and at least from reviews, because you can only take it for what it is. And yeah, they're like relatively cheap, like $115 a tire and plus shipping or whatever. So yeah, this is where I'm at. With the exhaust, I just did swap the exhaust over again as well. I changed the flanges on the headers to V-bands, because these are US spec headers that I cut the catalytic converters out of. Any government officials watching, I do still have catalytic converters on the car, but it is a 1990, so as far as emissions go in Washington State, I don't have to do shit anymore, which is great. Future plans for the vehicle. I am planning on doing the Mark 60 ABS system out of the E46 M3. Actually came out of the I think post 2001 or 2 E46s. Essentially they swapped from a Mark 20, which is they have the ABS unit on the passenger side, and then they have a charge pump underneath the master cylinder on the earlier E46s, and then they changed to the ABS unit right underneath the master cylinder, and eliminated the charge pump. So, but the nice thing about that is it's a completely standalone unit. It's something that people swap into lots of like cars, surprisingly, because it just relies on, as far as the ABS is concerned, pickups from the wheels. And then that's about it. I think you have to add like your yaw and accelerometer, and then also the steering angle sensor. You'll need that for like DSC if you want that to work. And there's so much, like, I'll get into that another day, but I'm just gonna glaze over it today. So yeah, I'm not going to do a startup in this video just because I felt like I just needed to update. I'm going to keep it nice and short, a couple minutes. As you can see, the engine bay is black now. That is the plan for the car. I'm just going to do like a basic like gloss black. I'm going to employ a bunch of my friends in the spring when it's not nearly as wet as it is right now, and maybe a bit warmer. And I'll get this thing painted. But for now, it's nice. I've always liked the way it sits, but anyway, just gonna try to fix the issue with my fuse box, and then we'll kind of go from there. Yeah, thanks for watching. I am actually surprised that even I've gotten 15 subscribers. Thanks for sticking around for like 3 months. I did say it was going to take a little while, so yeah, we'll get this all figured out. Focus, camera, focus. There we go. We'll get the electrical issue figured out, and yeah, if anybody has any ideas, let me know. I am open for suggestions at this point. But thanks for watching, and I will see you later. I'm trying to get a picture for a thumbnail. Boop, boop. Thumbnail. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if you want to stick around. I'll have another video with my time lapses of the work I've done up until this point. It'll come out not that long after this video, like a day or two at most. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later.